Alright, hello everyone. Today we're going to create a graph using Excel. What I've got here is just my independent variable, and then I've also got two dependent variables. So as you can see, it's just a made up data. So the graph we're going to create is a scatter plot. So easiest way to do this, just selecting all of our data, and then going to insert, going down to our scatter plots, so XY scatter plot, and choosing one of our options. So I can either go without a line or with a line. Depending on what you're doing, you'll choose slightly different ones. So for this, I'm actually going to go with a line. And there is the basis of our scatter plot. We need to add in a few things though. We've already got a legend there, which is awesome, but I do want to put in my axes titles. So if you're on Windows, there's that lovely little plus button. So if I click on that, that gives me my chart elements, so I can choose, all right, I want axis titles. I can put in some other things as well. I can put in a trend line if I wanted to. I'm not going to worry about that though, just want my axis titles. So I'm going to label this one as my dependent variable, so whatever that unit is, so dv unit. And then do the same for my independent variable, of course giving them nice names. And then for my title, give that a nice descriptive title too. So that's how we can create our graph. If you're on a Mac, I don't think that button exists. So just make sure that you are under the chart design. Up the top left, you go add chart element, and you've got your options there. It's just a little bit more work because you have to go one at a time, but we can still get all we need to get in there. So thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you all next time.